Hello viewers, this is Mirpur, Dhaka, Bangladesh. It is the next day of Eid-ul Fitr 2026. There are some people and some cars in the road. There are highway road and there are metro rail. You can enjoy this day from any other place of the country. There are no shop which is opened by the shopkeeper and there are no customer for marketing. So you can think that most of the people has gone in the village for enjoy Eid-ul Fitr 2026 with their relatives. I am Mohammad Abdul Hai, Mirpur, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Best wishes to all.